So this was all of your father's building from 1954?
Yeah, that's 1954. It's 36 bedrooms.
So near and yet so far. Ali Ayad shows me the large home his father built nearly 60 years ago on the edge of Jerusalem. Ali used to run it as a hotel, but a decade ago the Israeli authorities confiscated it.
I'm too close now. We are living dangerously, me and you now. I am not comfortable actually to stand here.
The Israelis say the property falls just inside the boundaries of Jerusalem and that its Palestinian owners are legally absent because they're in the West Bank. The Cliff Hotel case is now before Israel's Supreme Court.
This is simply what I'm doing is to get back my family property, simply to make sure that the state of Israel cannot go on with their project using absentee property law to confiscate Palestinian properties. And the only reason they use it is to take my home.
Not long after Israel was created, the absentee property law was passed. It allowed the state to take over homes and land that belonged to hundreds of thousands of Palestinians who fled or were displaced in the 1948 war. And now the legislation's being used in East Jerusalem, which Israel captured in 1967. Its occupation and annexation isn't recognised under international law. Many West Bank Palestinians still have property here.
It means that only because the annexation of East Jerusalem to Israel, this is a reason why to turn them to absentees. And some people think it's not just. Some people think it is. So this is a controversial decision.
The stakes are high as a ruling's awaited.
But this Supreme Court decision could ultimately affect thousands of Palestinian property owners in East Jerusalem. And with ownership of this holy city at the heart of Israel's conflict with the Palestinians, that makes it highly sensitive. Yolanda Knell, BBC News, Jerusalem.